In today's video, I'll show you how to enable special instructions node on the cart page in Shopify Horizon theme. As you can see in this example, I'm currently in my cart page. On the right side of the screen, just above the discount code field, there's going to be a special instructions section right here. But in case you notice that it's missing on your end, in this video, I'll show you how to re-enable it. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account. Once you're in Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, click on the online store. Look for your current theme, in my case Horizon, then select Edit Theme. Within the theme editor, on the left side of the screen, click on Theme Settings. It looks like a gear icon. Within Theme Settings, look for Cart section. Let's expand it. Now scroll a bit down under Cart Features. Make sure to enable the first option, Allow Node to Seller. And also let's enable the second option, Open Node to Seller by default. And finally, at the top right corner, click on Save. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update. Then go back to your website and try refreshing the cart page. And as you can see, the special instructions field is now visible on the cart page. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.